Hi everyone, I'm going to be making my essential oil mix for pain and inflammation. So if you have pain and inflammation in anywhere in your body, use this. And sometimes we just want to grab a pill, but sometimes I just don't take any pills for pain. I have a lot of pain on my breast and on my left side. So I rub it in when, at night when I don't want to take anything for the pain or anything. So you can get these little bottles in eBay. It has the little tip right here that kind of spreads. So you put it in your purse, it won't spill or anything. So get one of these. I bought like 6 of them on eBay. So what you're gonna need is calendula oil. You're gonna need ginger oil and arnica oil and 2 essential oils that smells good, like lavender and this is orange. So it could be lemon, lavender, frankincense, anything that will help with the smell, and it's healing too. So lavender and orange. So what you're gonna do is just gonna pour each of those 3 oils, the arnica, a third of a way, like 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna mix that. You kind of put it like this, and you're gonna mix it, okay? And then after that, you're gonna put about 5 to 10 drops. I usually do about 7 drops of each of this oil, and you're gonna shake it. It comes with one of these, so it's really helpful. So you put the top back and you kind of just seal it and just shake it. And that's it. That's my pain relief, inflammation. It actually does help with the inflammation, believe it or not. And also for the pain, and it smells good, and it's just like it relaxes you and calms you. And it really does take the pain away. So try some other alternatives instead of pills. If you have like a headache, then you use like lavender right here, or on the temples right here. It will help you. You smell it, you inhale it, and it's really good for you. So try not to get carried away with pain medicine, and use the natural things. So I hope you make it and just have it ready for whenever you need it. So it's a real good oil to have. I have it in my purse. I'm gonna do another video on another recipe for a different thing when you feel like there's one that when you feel like nauseous and stuff like that. There's another mix that I'm gonna do another video about it. So this is really good to have. Buy these on eBay, Amazon, real cheap. All right, see you in the next video.